Let me show you how to create a glitch effect in Photoshop. Click on that and import the image you want to use. At first, we need to desaturate this image. Go to Image, under the Adjustment panel, choose Desaturate. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the background layer. Double click to open the blending option or right click and choose the blending option. Then uncheck the channel icon. Choose the move tool and drag your image to the right or to the left. Create a white solid color adjustment layer. Go to Filter and choose Filter Gallery. Then follow this process. Open the blending mode and choose Overlay. Reduce the opacity to your taste, but I reduce it to 40%. Press Ctrl Shift Alt E. Choose the rectangular marquee tool and follow this process. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Repeat the process over and over again until you have created a perfect glitch to your taste.